I feel very powerful because for the first time in my life, I had the chance to express how I felt.
Art thinking is the idea of looking at what we can learn from artists, and it's thinking about how can we apply some of the tactics that artists use to work in groups and to develop new ideas.
Participants have to produce their very own pieces of art and to learn some artistic practices to help them innovate and challenge their status quo.
Art thinking was actually a method that's been developed by a professor who's based at ESCP, and he came up with this idea working in collaboration with an artist.
The workshop takes place in 3 days, giving them classes in different art practices and letting them explore those practices in their own time.
Today, the guidance we give to the students, it's two main things. The first thing is embodiment. It's about how can you talk about yourself or something that matters deeply to you.
It really took us out of the box or even further than that.
It taught us how collaboration and group work, and in times of vulnerability really forms this special connection or bond.
There was a lot of decision making that had to happen with my teammates, so to be able to compromise and be on the same page in 3 days was very difficult.
We want to see something completely original. The students have really dug deep and used their own lives in order to create really moving and transformative pieces.
The last part of the workshop takes place in the Cameron Art Center, and it culminates with an exhibition.
The second impact is about minimalism. As I said to them, when you say I love you, it's really powerful. When you say I love you a lot, it's less powerful. It's about how do you find the right amount of information you want to give for maximum impact.
It's been a very challenging 3 days. This project was quite a roller coaster.
To be honest, I didn't expect it to feel so powerful.
I'm very glad that we took a deep dive into our emotions and our psyche. Right now, I feel happy that people are getting to see our art.
I think we created something that actually shows our voice and just expresses what we truly feel.
We went through a lot of emotions. Also, they are sharing their stories with us right now, and I think that's something I really, really appreciate. We open up, we shared something with them, and now they are sharing something with us.
I'm super proud of what we are showing to everyone today.
Be able to step out of our comfort zone, definitely a cool learning experience, and I'm glad we got the chance to experience that.
These 3 days were very transformational.
And I'm just happy that everybody created those amazing pieces of art, and then we grew together as a cohort really deeply.